Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here in Alwada Mall. I'm on the way in my fellowship meeting today. See, this is indoor park. There is billiard. I don't know if the bowling is. They put it back. See, this is Alwada Mall. This is our meeting place always. The tea is very hot. I cannot hold it very long. This coming with this long holiday. That's why so many people in the mall. It's holiday and end of the month also. Anyway, I'm in the meeting. Our meeting place in food court extension. Anyway, guys. Let's see. It's done. Alwada Mall. See. I'm here in Alwada Mall. Very hot. Anyway, guys. Today is Saturday. It's weekend. Happy weekend, everyone. And enjoy your weekend. If you like my video, don't forget to click like. Heart, leave ako nila suggestion and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.